could try first. Ice me out, ice me out, ice me out, nigga, ice me out.
Back to my channel. So the rest of the week I'm gonna be vlogging my prom process, just because a lot of people have been asking for it, or asking if I was gonna vlog for my prom. So I am. Today's Thursday. I'm gonna go get my nails done with my nail tech. I'm gonna leave her Instagram in the description box, and I'll put it right here because a lot of people ask me where I get my nails done. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the process. Hey guys, I'm about to dye my hair. I picked up my hair yesterday. Today's Friday, so I picked that up when I did my nails. I'm doing the water method challenge, so all I have is some warm water, and I got my dyes. So I got 3 different colors just to mix them to get like a icy gray that I wanted. So I got frost gray, pearl gray, and royal purple. I'm not going to be using too much of that because I don't want it too purple. And then I got my 613 blonde lace front. So hopefully it comes out good because I've never done this before. So I'm gonna just pour in my dyes, and yeah. And I'm only putting a bit of this royal purple. So now what you want to do is just mix all the colors together. So I just have my my edge brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a strand of hair and dip it in there to see if I like the color. And if I do like the color, then I'm gonna dip dye it. After dipping it, it's like a gray color, and I do like it, so I'm gonna dip the rest of the hair in. It's coming out so good. I'm not gonna leave it in too much because I don't want it to get too dark, but I'm gonna show you guys the finished product because it's kind of hard to dye and record at this stage. This is currently what the wig is looking like. It's like a silver gray, and I kind of like it, but I kind of wanted a little bit more purple, so I'm gonna dip it and I'm gonna add a little bit more purple. Just letting the wig sit in a bit just so it could catch color, and I don't have to keep taking it out. But I'm pretty happy on how it's coming out. So yeah, when it's done and dried, I'll get back to you guys. So now that the coloring is done, all you want to do is just pat dry. Don't like shake it or move it because then it'll get tangled. So you just pat dry the towel onto the wig. Mom was making those. So it's the day of prom. His kitchen is just everywhere because she's still making cupcakes and everything, and they're setting up I'm just vlogging. Period. What the before looks like. I'm looking rough. So take a good look because I'm not showing y'all no more because it's not it. In the living room. That's where we want to What's your Instagram?
She said I'm different, I'm like what you mean. Shorty keep cold, I'm letting it rain. All she gon' say is I'm doing my thing. I just saw summer, I'm chasing my dream.
Let me see the waves, what?
About us, feel my niggas, I'm turning shit. They want just crazy, so I'ma bring her out when I get my Grammy.
You probably mad, it's been 4 times, just let him put pipe in his beat. All night, I don't like it, the beat.
Get these bags, we might as well tell our opposite subs. Got wet and back.
Bitches better be for your vlog. Vlog.